Denodo Online Training. Introduction to Denodo, Overview and Core Concepts. Denodo is a data virtualization platform that provides a unified interface for accessing and integrating data from multiple sources across the enterprise. Here's an overview of its core concepts. Data virtualization. Denodo uses data virtualization to provide a logical layer that abstracts the physical location and format of data sources. It allows users to access and query data in real time without needing to physically move or replicate the data. Components. Denodo Platform, the core engine that facilitates data virtualization, query optimization, and caching. Denodo Catalog, metadata repository that stores information about data sources, views, and business terms. Denodo Scheduler allows scheduling and automation of tasks like data extraction, transformation, and loading, ETL. Data sources. Denodo can connect to various types of data sources, including databases, SQL, NoSQL, flat files, web services, cloud-based data sources, and more. Virtual views. Views in Denodo are virtual representations of data that can integrate data from multiple sources. These views can be created using Denodo's graphical tools and SQLite language called VQL, Virtual Query Language. Data services. Denodo enables the creation of data services that expose virtual views as RESTful web services or OData APIs, making it easier to consume integrated data. Optimization. Denodo optimizes queries by pushing down filters and aggregations to the data sources whenever possible, reducing data movement and improving query performance. Security and governance. Denodo provides features for data governance, access control, and data masking to ensure data security and compliance with regulations. Deployment. Denodo can be deployed on-premises, in the cloud, or in hybrid environments, offering flexibility in how organizations manage their data integration needs. Architecture of Denodo, components and deployment options. Denodo is a data virtualization platform that allows organizations to integrate, federate, and manage data from various sources in real-time or near real-time without physically moving the data. Here's an overview of its architecture, components, and deployment options. Architecture overview. Data sources. Denodo connects to various data sources such as databases, SQL, NoSQL, data warehouse, cloud services, AWS, Azure, flat files, APIs, and more. Denodo Platform. Virtual Data Port, VDP. This is the core component of Denodo, responsible for data virtualization. VDP provides a unified view of data across multiple sources through a logical data abstraction layer. Web-based administration tool, used for configuring, managing, and monitoring Denodo servers and deployments. Scheduler, manages jobs and tasks for data integration and processing. Solution Manager, provides capabilities for deployment management, monitoring, and troubleshooting. Clients. Denodo Developer, used for designing and developing data virtualization solutions. Denodo Business User Client provides a user-friendly interface for business users to access and query virtualized data. Consumers. Applications, by tools, analytics platforms, and other systems consume virtualized data through Denodo. Components: Virtual Data Port (VDP). Data Catalog stores metadata and information about available data sources. Query Optimizer optimizes SQL queries to fetch data efficiently from underlying sources. Data Services exposes virtual views of data to clients. Web-based administration tool. Management Console provides a GUI for configuring servers, managing users, monitoring performance, etc. Scheduler. Job Scheduler executes scheduled tasks such as data refreshes, ETL processes, etc. Solution Manager. Deployment Manager facilitates deployment of Denodo components across environments. Monitor provides real-time monitoring of performance, usage statistics, and alerts. Deployment Options. Denodo can be deployed in various configurations based on organizational needs. Standalone Server. All Denodo components, VDP, web-based admin tool, scheduler, run on a single server. Distributed Deployment. Components can be distributed across multiple servers for scalability and load balancing. Cloud Deployment. Denodo supports deployment on cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, etc. Hybrid Deployment combines on-premises and cloud deployments for flexibility and integration with existing infrastructure. Key features. Data Virtualization provides a unified view of data from disparate sources. Performance Optimization includes query optimization and caching mechanisms. Security, role-based access control, RBAC, encryption, and authentication mechanisms. Scalability supports scaling horizontally and vertically based on workload requirements. Integration connects with various data sources and integrates with BI tools, analytics platforms, and applications. Data Virtualization with Denodo, Principles and Advantages. Data virtualization with Denodo refers to the process of abstracting, transforming, and delivering data from disparate sources in real time without physically moving or copying it. Here are some principles and advantages of using Denodo for data virtualization. Principles of Denodo data virtualization. Abstraction layer. Denodo provides a unified view of data across various sources such as databases, data lakes, cloud services, and APIs. It creates a logical layer that abstracts the underlying physical data structures. Real-time access. Users can access and query data in real time, regardless of its location or format. This enables faster decision-making and reduces the need for data replication. Data federation. Denodo integrates data from multiple sources on the fly, presenting it as a cohesive virtual database. This approach simplifies data access and management for users. Data services. Denodo supports the creation of data services that provide secure, controlled access to virtualized data. These services encapsulate data access logic and enforce data governance policies. Advantages of Denodo data virtualization. Agility and flexibility. Denodo allows organizations to quickly adapt to changing business requirements by providing a flexible data access layer. New data sources can be integrated rapidly without disrupting existing systems. Cost efficiency. By reducing the need for data replication and consolidation, Denodo helps organizations save on storage and infrastructure costs. It also lowers maintenance efforts associated with managing multiple data copies. Improved data quality. Denodo includes data transformation capabilities that enhance data quality by applying cleansing, normalization, and enrichment rules in real time. This ensures that users access reliable and consistent data. Enhanced data security. Denodo enforces centralized data access controls and encryption mechanisms, ensuring that sensitive data remains secure during transit and access. Scalability. Denodo's architecture is designed to handle large volumes of data and concurrent user queries efficiently. It scales horizontally by adding more nodes to distribute the workload. Support for hybrid IT environments. Denodo supports hybrid cloud and on-premises deployments, enabling seamless integration of data across distributed environments. Integrating data sources with Denodo, techniques and best practices. Integrating data sources with Denodo involves several techniques and best practices to ensure efficient and effective data virtualization. Here are some key techniques and best practices. Understanding data sources. Start by thoroughly understanding the data sources you need to integrate. This includes knowing their schemas, formats, and how they are accessed, APIs, databases, files, etc. Data cataloging. Maintain a comprehensive data catalog that documents metadata, relationships, and access methods for each data source. Denodo provides capabilities for metadata management that can be crucial here. Connectivity and integration. Utilize Denodo's data connectors to connect to various data sources. Denodo supports a wide range of connectors for databases, cloud services, APIs, and enterprise applications. Data transformation. Implement transformation logic within Denodo to harmonize data from different sources. This might involve data cleansing, standardization, or enrichment to ensure consistency and quality. Performance optimization. Optimize query performance using Denodo's query optimization tools. Techniques include query caching, query rewriting, and materialized views to reduce latency and improve responsiveness. Security and access control. Implement robust security measures to control access to integrated data. Denodo supports integration with enterprise security frameworks like LDAP, Kerberos, and OAuth for authentication and authorization. Scalability and resilience. Design the Denodo deployment for scalability and resilience. This involves configuring load balancing, failover mechanisms, and resource management to handle large volumes of data and ensure high availability. Monitoring and governance. Establish monitoring mechanisms to track data access patterns, performance metrics, and usage statistics. Use governance frameworks to enforce data policies, compliance, and data life cycle management. Metadata management. Leverage Denodo's metadata management capabilities to maintain a centralized view of data lineage, impact analysis, and data governance. This helps in maintaining data quality and regulatory compliance. Training and documentation. Provide training to users and administrators on using Denodo effectively for data integration. Document best practices, troubleshooting tips, and deployment guidelines to ensure smooth operations. Real-time data access and integration using Denodo. Denodo is a popular data virtualization platform that enables real-time data access and integration across heterogeneous data sources without physically moving the data. Here are some key aspects of real-time data access and integration using Denodo. Data virtualization. Denodo provides a unified interface to access data from multiple sources, whether they are on-premises or in the cloud. It abstracts the underlying complexity of data storage and formats, presenting a simplified view to applications and users. Real-time data delivery. Denodo supports real-time data integration by leveraging its data caching, data lineage, and query optimization capabilities. This allows organizations to make decisions based on up-to-date information without delays caused by traditional ETL processes. Agile data services. With Denodo, you can create agile data services that encapsulate complex data logic and transformations. These services can be reused across different applications, reducing development time and maintenance efforts. Data federation. Denodo's data federation capabilities enable querying and combining data from multiple sources in real time, providing a unified and consistent view of data across the enterprise. Data governance and security. Denodo includes robust data governance features such as access control, data masking, and auditing, ensuring that data access and usage comply with organizational policies and regulations. Scalability and performance. Denodo is designed to handle large-scale data integration scenarios with high performance. It supports parallel processing, distributed caching, and optimized query execution to deliver fast responses even with complex data integration tasks. Integration with BI and analytics tools. Denodo integrates seamlessly with popular BI and analytics tools such as Tableau, Power BI, and Qlik, enabling organizations to derive insights from virtualized data sources. Security features in Denodo, ensuring data protection. Denodo, a data virtualization platform, offers several security features to ensure data protection. Here are some key aspects. Authentication and authorization. Denodo supports various authentication mechanisms such as LDAP, Active Directory, OAuth, and SAML. It integrates with existing identity management systems for user authentication. Authorization controls determine which users or groups can access specific data sources or views. Data encryption. Denodo supports encryption in transit and at rest. It uses TLS, transport layer security, to encrypt data in transit between clients and servers. For data at rest, encryption can be applied to databases and files used by Denodo. Role-based access control. RBAC in Denodo allows administrators to define roles and assign permissions based on job functions. This ensures that users have access only to the data and functionalities necessary for their roles. Data masking and redaction. Denodo provides capabilities for data masking and redaction to protect sensitive data. This ensures that unauthorized users or applications do not see sensitive information in its original form. Audit logging. Denodo logs all user activities, including access attempts, queries executed, and changes made to configurations. Audit logs help in monitoring and detecting suspicious activities, ensuring compliance with security policies. Governance and compliance. Denodo supports data governance practices by providing metadata management, data lineage tracking, and compliance with regulations such as GDPR, HIPAA, and PCI DSS. It helps organizations maintain control over data access and usage. Fine-grained access control. Denodo allows administrators to define fine-grained access controls at the data service and view levels. This ensures that even within a dataset, different users may have varying levels of access based on their roles and responsibilities. Integration with security frameworks. Denodo integrates with enterprise security frameworks and tools, allowing organizations to leverage existing investments in security infrastructure. Case studies. Successful implementations of Denodo. Implementations of Denodo, a data virtualization platform, have been successful across various industries and use cases. Here are a few notable examples. Large financial services firm, a global bank used Denodo to create a unified data access layer that integrated data from multiple legacy systems and cloud applications. This allowed them to provide real-time analytics and reporting to their business users without physically moving or duplicating data, ensuring data governance and compliance. Healthcare Provider Network, a healthcare consortium utilized Denodo to unify patient data spread across multiple hospitals and clinics. By virtualizing their data with Denodo, they achieved a single view of patient records, enabling faster decision-making and improving patient care coordination. Retail Chain, a multinational retail chain implemented Denodo to integrate data from various sources including POS systems, CRM platforms, and inventory management systems. This enabled them to create personalized marketing campaigns, optimize inventory management, and improve customer service by accessing unified, real-time data. Telecommunications Company, a telecom giant used Denodo to integrate data from diverse sources such as customer billing systems, network performance data, and customer service logs. By virtualizing this data, they enhanced their operational efficiency, reduced time to market for new services, and improved customer satisfaction through proactive issue resolution. Challenges of implementing Denodo and solutions. Implementing Denodo can present several challenges, but there are effective solutions to address them. Complex data integration. Denodo integrates data from various sources, which can be complex due to disparate formats and structures. Solution. Use Denodo's data virtualization capabilities to create logical data models that abstract underlying complexities, making data integration easier. Performance optimization. Virtualized data access can sometimes lead to performance issues, especially with large datasets or complex queries. Solution. Optimize query performance by caching frequently accessed data, leveraging Denodo's query optimization tools, and ensuring proper indexing and data source configuration. Security and access control. Managing access to sensitive data across different users and roles requires robust security measures. Solution. Implement Denodo's security features such as role-based access control, RBAC, data masking, encryption, and secure data federation to ensure data privacy and compliance with regulations. Scalability. Scaling Denodo to handle increasing data volumes and user requests can be challenging without proper planning. Solution. Design a scalable architecture using Denodo's clustering capabilities, distributed caching, and load balancing to distribute workloads efficiently across servers. Governance and metadata management. Maintaining data governance and metadata consistency across virtualized data sources can be complex. Solution. Utilize Denodo's metadata management tools to catalog data sources, document data lineage, and enforce data quality standards. Implement governance policies and workflows to ensure data integrity and compliance. Skill requirements. Data virtualization technologies like Denodo may require specialized skills for implementation and maintenance. Solution. Invest in training for IT teams or consider leveraging external consultants with expertise in Denodo to accelerate implementation and address specific challenges. Denodo and modern analytics, enabling business insights. Denodo plays a crucial role in modern analytics by enabling businesses to integrate and virtualize data across various sources, providing a unified view without physically moving the data. This capability is particularly valuable in today's data landscape, where organizations deal with diverse data sources such as cloud services, on-premises databases, and SaaS applications. Here are some ways Denodo facilitates modern analytics and enables business insights. Data virtualization. Denodo allows organizations to access and combine data in real time from multiple sources, including structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data. This virtualization layer eliminates the need for data replication, reducing storage costs and ensuring data consistency. Agility and flexibility. By providing a logical view of data across disparate sources, Denodo enables agile responses to business needs. It supports rapid prototyping, data exploration, and faster deployment of new data sources, which are critical in today's fast-paced business environment. Self-service analytics. Denodo's self-service capabilities empower business users to access and analyze data independently without heavy reliance on IT. This democratization of data access enhances decision-making across different levels of the organization. Real-time insights. With Denodo, organizations can access real-time data insights without the latency of traditional ETL processes. This capability is essential for operational analytics, IoT applications, and other use cases requiring up-to-date information. Data governance and security. Denodo provides robust data governance features, including access control, data lineage, and audit trails. These features ensure data security and compliance with regulatory requirements, fostering trust in the analytics outputs. Integration with modern analytics platforms. Denodo integrates seamlessly with popular analytics and business intelligence tools such as Tableau, Power BI, and Qlik, enabling organizations to leverage their existing investments in analytics technologies. How does Denodo facilitate data integration across diverse sources? Denodo facilitates data integration across diverse sources primarily through its virtualization approach. Here are some key ways Denodo accomplishes this. Virtual data services. Denodo creates virtual data services that abstract the underlying data sources, whether they are databases, APIs, flat files, or cloud-based applications. This abstraction allows Denodo to provide a unified view of data without physically moving or duplicating it. Data federation. Denodo enables data federation by connecting to multiple sources in real-time or near real-time. It retrieves data on demand and combines it in memory to fulfill queries from applications and users. Unified data access. With Denodo, users can access and query data from different sources using a single interface, which simplifies the complexity of heterogeneous data environments. Data virtualization layer. Denodo acts as a data virtualization layer that sits between data consumers, like applications or analytics tools, and the actual data sources. It optimizes data access and performance by caching frequently accessed data and applying query optimizations. Agility and flexibility. Denodo allows for agile data integration by quickly adapting to changes in data sources or business requirements. It supports dynamic data modeling and metadata management to maintain consistency across diverse data sets. Security and governance. Denodo includes robust security features to ensure data privacy and compliance. It supports role-based access control, RBAC, encryption, and auditing capabilities. Additionally, it provides governance features for data lineage, metadata management, and data quality monitoring. What are the key benefits of implementing Denodo in an enterprise? Implementing Denodo in an enterprise offers several key benefits. Data virtualization. Denodo provides a unified view of data across disparate sources without physically moving or copying it, reducing data duplication and integration efforts. Agility and flexibility. It allows quick access to data, enabling faster decision-making and adaptability to changing business needs. Cost efficiency. By reducing the need for data replication and storage, Denodo can lower infrastructure costs. Integration capabilities. It integrates seamlessly with existing IT ecosystems, including various data sources, cloud platforms, and applications. Real-time data access provides real-time or near real-time data access, ensuring that users always have access to the most current information. Data security and governance. Denodo includes robust security features and governance controls, ensuring data privacy, compliance with regulations, and proper access controls. Scalability. It can scale horizontally and vertically to handle increasing data volumes and user demands. Operational efficiency simplifies data management and reduces complexity by centralizing data access and management tasks. Analytics and business intelligence supports advanced analytics and by providing a unified and consistent view of data across the enterprise. Improved customer experience enables faster response times to customer queries and needs by providing unified access to relevant data. How does Denodo compare to traditional data integration approaches? Denodo differs significantly from traditional data integration approaches in several key ways. Virtualization versus ETL. Denodo employs data virtualization, which allows it to integrate data in real time without physically moving or replicating it. Traditional approaches often rely on ETL, extract, transform, load, processes that physically move data from source to target systems. Speed and agility. Denodo provides faster integration capabilities since it accesses and combines data on the fly, reducing the time and effort required compared to traditional batch-oriented ETL processes. Unified Access Layer. Denodo acts as a unified access layer over disparate data sources, providing a single point of access for applications and users. Traditional approaches may involve multiple layers of data stores and integration points, leading to complexity and potential data duplication. Scalability and flexibility. Denodo scales more efficiently across large datasets and diverse data sources, adapting quickly to changing business needs. Traditional approaches may require extensive redesign and infrastructure changes to accommodate growth and new data sources. Cost and resource efficiency. Denodo often reduces costs associated with data integration by minimizing data redundancy and simplifying maintenance. Traditional approaches may require more hardware resources and ongoing management efforts. Real-time integration. Denodo supports real-time data integration and access, enabling organizations to make timely decisions based on up-to-date information. Traditional approaches may involve delays due to batch processing schedules. Why choose ProExcellency for Denodo online training? Expertise and experience. ProExcellency likely employs trainers who are experts in Denodo and have extensive industry experience. These trainers understand the intricacies of data virtualization and can provide insights based on real-world scenarios. Learning from such experts ensures that you receive high-quality instruction and practical knowledge that goes beyond theoretical concepts. Comprehensive curriculum. The training curriculum offered by ProExcellency is likely designed to cover all aspects of Denodo comprehensively. Starting from foundational concepts such as data virtualization principles, architecture, and components, the curriculum may progress to advanced topics like performance optimization, data integration strategies, security considerations, and best practices for deployment. A well-structured curriculum ensures that you gain a thorough understanding of Denodo's capabilities and applications. Hands-on learning. Effective online training involves practical, hands-on learning experiences. ProExcellency may offer lab exercises, case studies, or projects that allow you to apply your knowledge in simulated environments. Hands-on learning is crucial for reinforcing theoretical concepts, developing practical skills, and gaining confidence in using Denodo effectively in real-world scenarios. Flexibility and convenience. Online training with ProExcellency offers flexibility in terms of learning pace and schedule. You can access training materials and participate in sessions from anywhere with an internet connection, making it convenient for professionals with busy schedules or geographical constraints. This flexibility allows you to balance learning with professional commitments and personal responsibilities. Certification preparation. If Denodo certification is a goal, ProExcellency may provide training that aligns with certification exam objectives. Their courses may include exam preparation tips, mock tests, and guidance on key topics covered in the certification exam. Certification can validate your skills and knowledge in Denodo, enhancing your credibility and career opportunities in the field of data virtualization. Support and community. ProExcellency may offer additional support through forums, discussion boards, or dedicated support channels where you can interact with instructors and fellow learners. Access to a community of learners allows you to collaborate, share insights, and seek assistance for challenges you encounter during the training. Networking within the community can also lead to valuable connections and opportunities within the industry. Thank you.